Alright guys, today we got the Traxxas Stampede out. My son actually wanted me to paint it green. He thought the chassis would be a little bit cooler with the truck since Gravedigger's all green. Went ahead and decided to tear it apart, get the chassis painted green. Got this cool little seat for it. Got most of it painted green, gotta do the bottom still, but I'll throw this thing back together and see how she looks. First we're gonna take the chassis, put it up in the front. Sometimes it's a pain to get in here. Slide it up in there. We got two little screw holes right here. And throw a couple down in there. Screwdriver. Alright, got that on there. Now the only thing left to do to hold the front together, put two little screws in right here. Alright, now I got the whole front end secured on there. We'll move on to the back. So unfortunately, broke this little piece off on it. Sometime when we were bashing it, it's kind of broke right here in the middle too. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on there. Keep running it until the new one comes in. So these, you want to get the back of the chassis right here, up underneath. Stuck in there. Alright, try this again. I got the two screws down in here. You can really see them too well. They're up in here. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the one screw in here to hold this side on. So as you can see, this one's broke. Still got the little piece right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there just so I don't lose the screw. Wait for the new one to come in. She's still pretty good, pretty solid, but definitely gonna have to change that out. That's what she looks like with the green chassis on it. Not too bad. little shade difference, but it's okay for what we're doing. We're just bashing it anyway. Go ahead and get these little battery hold down. It's on here. Throw the seat on there. Let you guys see what that looks like. Got the battery hold downs installed. Got the seat. Put the clips in. So this is a 3D printed seat. Just took the battery strap, drilled a couple holes in it. That way the seat will sit right on top of the battery, hold it down. Alright, here's the Gravedigger with the green chassis and the green seat. Grab the body, let you guys see what it looks like. As you can see, the green seat looks pretty cool in there. Hopefully we'll be able to find a little action figure and put in there. I'll let Gravedigger have a driver. Hopefully the new motor and the ESC will be in this week. Get some new videos out there. Hopefully we'll be able to find a new place to get out and do some bashing videos. Get some cool new backflip videos, hill climbs, stuff like that, big jumps. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. TNDRC.